In this video, we're going to install, open, subscribe, configure, and enable Drive Download. To begin, navigate to the Google Play Store, search for Drive Download. Once you've found it, just click the Install button and it will install from the Google Play Store. Once Drive Download is installed, you can open it also directly from the Play Store. Simply tap the Open button. When the app launches, allow all of the permission requests. Now that you've installed and opened the app, what you want to do is subscribe. So just swipe down until you see the subscribe button, tap it, and follow the standard Google Play Store subscribe process. After subscribing to Drive Download, it's time to configure it. First, let's choose the local folder on our device. It's important that this folder be empty. In this case, I'm going to create a new folder. If you're choosing an existing folder, make sure it's empty. I'm going to name my folder Drive Download. You can use any name that you'd like for your folder. Once you create your folder, you're going to have to select it. So here I just tap Use this folder. Now I'm ready to choose the cloud folder, so I tap the cloud button and I'm going to pick from personal drive. I'm going to log into a demo personal drive that I've created on our website. So first I put in the URL. It's a little bit long, so bear with me. This may be a good time to mention you can use other types of cloud drives. You can use Nextcloud drives. You can use any WebDAV compatible drive. You'll also notice that Google Drive is still available. This is only for people that have signed in before. If you're a new user and you've never signed into Google Drive, you won't be able to sign in. But for people that have signed in before, it's still available. Eventually it's going to be removed, so we do recommend you migrate to a different cloud drive. Next, I enter my username and password. Once I have those in, I'm going to tap that button titled Login. And once login is complete, I'm going to get a file browser. What you have to do with the file browser is navigate down into the folder that you want to select and tap the Choose button. Next, swipe down to where you see the switches. Optionally, disable mobile data usage. Enable download and replace. Finally, let the app run in the background. And that's all you need to do to configure and use Drive Download.
If you found this video helpful, please leave us a comment.